The secret to reversing diabetes, believe it or not, is eating more fruit. My name is Bertus. I'm a physician assistant and diabetes reversal health coach. And I'm here to tell you today that the secret to reversing this lifelong disease is the thing that most of you have been told not to do. Since being diagnosed with diabetes, my wife has actually increased her consumption of carb-rich foods like fruits and starchy vegetables like this. And she has experienced the best blood sugars she has ever experienced in her life. Now, how is this possible? Well, that's what I want to give you an opportunity to learn today. But this is just a little picture of our life. This is us visiting Portugal and one of its famed markets in Caldas da Rainha. This market has actually been open for, from my understanding, 600 years, every single day, rain or shine, selling the most delicious, nutritious, wholesome produce you will find possibly anywhere on earth, and we get to enjoy it all. You see, the drawback of a low carb approach is that it robs you of some of the most important antioxidant, nutrient dense foods on the planet. And the other drawback is that these foods are not only available everywhere and delicious, but they also promote disease prevention and cure. I'd like to urge you now to read the following studies carefully, as it highlights the benefits of a high carb diet versus the drawbacks of a low carb, high protein diet. There are many studies, hundreds if not thousands of studies that show the more carbs you include in your diet, the less cancer risk, the less kidney disease, less liver disease. Alzheimer's is prevented. You can also cure these many illnesses with a high carb diet. And the opposite, a low carb diet, cannot accomplish this. Again, we'll have links in the description section that of scientific research that proves this fact. So if you're a person that wants to enjoy the rich foods that this planet has given us, was available since the Garden of Eden when God created mankind and gave them fruit and food to be their medicine. If this is your desire, then reach out and look for the consultation link in the description section. I'm offering anyone who's desiring to increase their fruits as a diabetic to learn how from me, a diabetes reversal health coach who has done it with my wife, who has experienced the same benefits in my patients and clients who have worked with me personally. And you can do it too. So find the link in the description section, reach out for a free consultation, and learn how you can reverse this disease and prevent many others with a carb-rich, fruit-centered diet.